entry here to a small stream, which we're going to follow up to the foot of the Fiddler. Can't remember the Gaelic name.
That's the Fiddler, that pointy one there.
That pointy mountain there.
That man with a violin standing at the top there.
Yeah.
The Fiddler.
And there's a nice little lochen up there where we're going to spend the night and see if we can catch a trout.
My dinner.
And
Trout sandwich.
Hopefully there's no midgies.
What's that blue mat for on your pack?
For a bit of extreme yoga.